Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. It's an exciting moment because today, we're unveiling not just a phone, but a bold step forward in what a flagship smartphone should be. Introducing the OnePlus 13T, a device built to redefine performance, photography, and user experience. Let's begin with the design. The OnePlus 13T features a striking new look, elegant, minimal, and undeniably premium. With a beautifully crafted curved glass back, polished aluminum edges, and a newly engineered camera island that blends seamlessly into the body, this phone is designed to feel as good as it looks. It's slimmer and more durable, with IP65 water and dust resistance, making it ready for whatever life throws your way. But we know that beauty is more than skin deep. The display on the OnePlus 13T is a 6.32-inch 2K AMOLED with LTPO 3.0, giving you adaptive refresh rates from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. That means you get buttery smooth scrolling when you need it and exceptional power efficiency when you don't. With a peak brightness of up to 1600 nits, HDR10+ certification, and incredibly vivid colors, everything from games to videos looks stunning. Now, performance is the heart of every OnePlus device. The 13T is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, Qualcomm's most powerful chip to date. Combined with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, it delivers lightning-fast speed, flawless multitasking, and console-level gaming. We've also re-engineered the thermal system for even better sustained performance, so you can push the limits without ever breaking a sweat. Photography has always been a cornerstone of OnePlus innovation, and the 13T raises the bar yet again. We've partnered once more with Hasselblad to bring professional-grade imaging to your pocket. The triple camera system includes a wide-angle, main 50 million pixels, f/1.8, 24mm equivalent focal length, 6P lens, AF autofocus, 2-axis OIS support, and a new 50MP periscope telephoto lens capable of up to 5x optical zoom. Whether it's night shots, portraits, or distant landscapes, the 13T delivers incredible clarity, natural color science, and cinematic video at up to 4K resolution. And speaking of power, this phone is built to keep up with you all day and beyond. The 6,260 mAh battery ensures excellent endurance, even under heavy use. When you need to recharge, OnePlus's 80W SuperVOOC wired charging gets you full in under 25 minutes. And yes, we've heard you. The OnePlus 13T finally supports 50W wireless charging, giving you more freedom than ever. All of this is brought together by ColorOS 15.0 is based on Android 15. It's fast, clean, and smart, with meaningful features that enhance your daily experience without getting in the way. We focused on speed, stability, and personalization, while ensuring long-term software support with. Now let's talk value. The OnePlus 13T offers all this flagship design, next-gen performance, top-tier cameras, and blazing fast charging starting at just $799. It's more than a phone, it's a flagship experience without compromise. This is the OnePlus 13T, performance evolved, photography reimagined, and charging redefined. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to our channel Jucter.